Hey, it's Marina again. I wanted to check in today to share with you this golden glam look that I have going on for tonight's plans. I'm going out with some girlfriends for drinks and dinner, probably some dancing later, so keep on watching. And I've already prepped my skin using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Next, I will apply my Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation in my shade Natural. Whoa, guys, I love it. Tonight, I feel like doing a golden, sparkly, kind of smoky eye. If you got the In a Flash palette, which looks like this, you know how pretty and sparkly this palette is. So that's what I'm gonna use tonight. I'm gonna start with this light shade in my crease. Then to define the outer V area, I'm going to use this kind of like burgundy deep shade here. I'll tap off the excess and then just apply in a V shape. Press that color into the outer V. And don't worry about this because we're gonna clean it up using the concealer later. Let's add some sparkle. I'm going to use this golden sparkly shade using my finger and just press to the middle of the eye. Look at that sparkle, so pretty. What is a glam look without a little bit of eyeliner? So we're gonna do the Long Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in Blackout. And I'm just going to smudge this right on top of my lashes. I'll quickly just smudge that eyeliner out using the eye smudge brush. To smoke the eyeliner even more, I'm gonna go in with this deep chocolate shade here with the smudger brush again and just go over top of that. Going back to the waterproof eyeliner, I'm going to just put a little bit in the waterline and smudge that lower lash line out. Make sure that the color on the bottom lash line meets the one that we have on top here. So just connecting the outer corners. Ooh, shall we add more sparkle? I think we should. Let's do this lighter gold color right in the middle. We'll finish off the eye look using the Smokey Eye Mascara. I've already put it on one eye so you can see the difference. Ooh. Please apply loads and loads of layers. Back to the face now. I'm going to clean any fallout or any darkness under the eyes using the Instant Full Cover Concealer in my shade Natural. I applied the concealer just a little bit higher to add a little bit more of a highlight to the face. And I'm going to blend it out with the full coverage touch-up brush. And we're going to carve that line. Yes. Next up is a little bit of the sheer finish powder in the color Pale Yellow to set that concealer in place. Next, let's define the brows a little bit. I'm going to be using the Perfectly Defined Long Wear Brow Pencil in the shade Saddle. So now that we have perfectly defined brows, let's set them in with the Waterproof Brow Shaper. So I set under the eyes, a little bit on the nose and on the chin. But to add back a little bit of a glow to the face, I'm going to use the Illuminating Balm. Glow, yes. And to add an overall glow and color to the face, I'm going with an OG Bobbi love, which is the Shimmer Brick in Bronze. I want to keep the lips pretty neutral, so I'm going to use my Luxe Lip in Neutral Rose. How funny. So here's the completed look. I feel very glamorous. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm ready to party, but I'll see you soon.